Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this really simple tofu with some ginger and soy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's first take a look at our tofu. Now, it comes in different grades. When I say grades, like some of it's very kind of sloppy and kind of loose. The one that I'm going to use, because we're going to be frying, is firm. This is actually extra firm, so hard or firm. You know, if you want something that's kind of, not liquidy. That's inside there is going to be our tofu. It's going to be in water. What we're going to do is just take it out of the water and just press it just for, like 5 or 6 minutes, just to kind of get any moisture from it. You can then cut it however you want. And as you can see, there's my tofu now. Cut it into this sort of shape. What we're going to do is get to the cooker and we're going to fry this off in some oil. If you want, you can air fry this if you want to be a little bit more healthy. You can use any type of oil that you want. I'm using a sunflower oil here. And I'm going to shallow fry, but you can deep fry as well. Just heating it up, we're simply going to drop the tofu in. Let me grab a piece. It just goes in. And we're going to flip it over for about 5 minutes or so. It will go a kind of golden-ish brown. Very simple. Okay, we're now going to take them out. You can see they're nice and golden brown. They'll be nice and soft in the middle. We're going to set them aside. You can put them on some paper towel if you want to get rid of any excess oil. And like I say, if you wanted, you could actually air fry these if you don't want to be using that much oil at all. It works out really nicely, quite quick as well. Just sort of about sort of 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, about 180 in my air fryer. But that's it, beautiful stuff. Look at that, nice. So what I've done now is I've reduced the oil down dramatically. It's got a little bit of that oil that we fried the tofu in. If you air fried it, just add a little bit of oil. We're going to start off by adding 1 cup of onion in there. And here I've got some ginger, about 1 inch or so, that sort of size. And then cut it into thin strips. Okay, just put the heat on. We're on a high heat. Let that go just by itself for about 4 minutes. Stir often. And then very simply, we're going to add our tofu. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not going to be adding salt because we're going to be adding soy sauce to this, which I find salty enough. Now, if you wanted, you could have added garlic to this as well. I'm just going with the onions and the ginger today. We're going to flip this around for about another 3 minutes. Again, high heat, stirring pretty much all of the time. Fabulous stuff. Next up, the soy sauce. About 3 tablespoons. I'm using a light soy. You can turn the heat off now and just go with the heat in the pan. Flip that around. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. Really, really simple. I'll just finish it off with a little bit of green onion on the top. So simple, so delicious. Nice little side dish there. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.